How you doing, YouTube? This is Q with Automotive Group. Today we have a 1957 Ford Custom. This vehicle is very special. As you can see, the condition of this vehicle speaks for itself, making a new name for classic vehicles. This classic vehicle maintains the modern street presence, with the paint job finished in deep black, with your Schott Mod Sport wheels, wrapped with some nice Pirelli Sport tires. Then to give it a great stop, you have some nice Wilwood disc brakes here. Now, why do we need all that stopping power? Because under the hood, we have a 5.4 liter dual overhead cam supercharged V8 engine, long tube header, Tremec TR6060 6-speed manual transmission, and a lot more engine specs that could be found in the description below. Now, as we move to the interior of this Ford Custom, as you guys can already see, the saddle tan leather just executes with the black. Then you have a nice custom steering wheel that matches the color of the vehicle of the exterior, and then it overrides the nice Dakota digital instrumentation. Overall, this vehicle has proven of why it's been defined as modern classic. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Automotive Group. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, everything. Thank you guys for being a part of this channel.
On my Fridays when it's with you, I go back to Cincy, that Ohio. Now you trick me into buying all your shots. Got your ghost up in my Chevy, shotgun looking ready for them parties where you live. We spin you around and show you off. I've been trying to get away from you for a while now, but there ain't no setting you down. You're my sunrise, you keep coming up. You're in every conversation, every smoky situation. If it's water, if